Welcome to week 11 of a new trading series where every week I invest $100 in whatever stock gets the most votes based on what you all want me to invest in. And every week I go over the overall portfolio and the current performance, and then hopefully at the end of the year we'll be able to see whether or not this portfolio can beat the S&P 500 and be the top performing portfolio in the market. I do all of this in Robinhood so that I can buy fractional shares. So now jumping into the purchase for this week, which I bought on Friday, it was Microsoft, so MSFT. There was a tie in what stock to buy this week, so I just ended up picking between the ones that were tied. And hopefully Microsoft will be a good addition to the portfolio. It's definitely pulled back a little bit, but it has a lot of room to continue growing over the rest of the year. So now jumping into the current portfolio, here are all the stocks that are in the portfolio. We now have $1,000 invested, and the current P&L is we are down 10%. A lot of this coming from the early stock purchases, which were more hype and meme stocks like Lucid and IONQ, and some around like the whole metaverse. But hopefully, over the entire year, we can see this start to get back into the positive and eventually, hopefully, have a pretty high gain. So this is down 10%, and the S&P 500 is currently down about 2.7% for the year. So we're not doing great, but hopefully this will change as the year progresses. And then some of the stocks that I'm going to put up for vote for next year include Facebook. So this is the current Facebook chart. I'm also going to put up Visa, so maybe some diversification into the finance space. And then I'm also going to put up CRM or Salesforce. And as always, you can vote on what stock I should buy next week on my Twitter. There's a link for that in the description down below. And you don't have to limit yourself to these three stocks. You can also comment any other stocks you think that I should purchase. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next week.